Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dear students, in the afternoon session, there are two parts of this session. First part is now completed, and we are going to start the second part of the session. The second part of the session will be conducted by Deepak Sonone. So Professor Deepak Sonone completed his BSc with distinction and post-graduation, that is MSc, from Pune University. Professor Sonone attended number of workshops, published number of papers in conferences as well as in reputed journals. So he is coordinator of National Service Scheme, and today he is going to introduce us about the National Service Scheme, that is NSS, and after that he will give some ideas about the universal human values. So such evergreen personality is with us. So I welcome Professor Deepak Sonone. Sonone sir, over to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thanks a lot, sir. Dr. Shekhar, sir, for such a wonderful introduction of mine. So I hope that I will try to justify whatever the way you have introduced me. So dear students, again, it feels me immense pleasure to be connected with you, and I hope that vice versa. In this, actually, I have been teaching mathematics to the students of our institute, but besides mathematics, there are so many beautiful things also. Of course, mathematics is also one of the most beautiful things, but along with that, today I have brought some many things besides mathematics this time. So I strongly believe that you are going to enjoy this session. So to start with, yes. So this is FE induction program going on, and already I have discussed for one session with you on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Srinivas Iyengar Ramanujan sir. And see what induction program is. Actually, yes, in coming slides also I am going to give the brief introduction and the history till now. But the thing is that most of the students are departing from their homes for the first time with the occasion of joining some engineering college for their undergraduate program. And there are so many obstacles on emotional basis. So the thing is that the then Central Minister of HR, Honorable Prakashji Javadekar, had suggested to design induction program, and that was specially for the residential student, not day scholar, for residential students of different IITs. And accordingly, one Professor Rajiv Sangal sir from IIT Bhubaneswar had designed induction program for 3 weeks, 2 weeks at the beginning of the first semester and 1 week at the beginning of the first semester, at the beginning of the second semester during their first year academics. So the outline of this is going to be what history, then necessity, universal human values, sports and games, then our achievements before that, national service scheme. So just look at these points, and if I forget one of these points, then please try to remind me about this. Now see friends, now do you know how many yugas are there? So I want to make this session interactive, so I am allowing the students to unmute themselves and communicate in this platform. Do you know how many yugas are there? Satyug, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, आणि Kali Yuga. Have you heard or not? So initially, when there used to be God, goddess, that yuga used to be called as Satya Yuga, and after that, their second era, and that is Treta Yuga. During Treta Yuga, there was that great Ramayana. Ramayana took place in Treta Yuga. After that, Dwapar Yuga. In Dwapar Yuga, there is Mahabharata. Mahabharata took place, and after that, Satya Yuga. We are part of Satya Yuga from last thousands of years. And initially, in Satya Yuga, the system, the education system was like, as you see, you are able to see in this photo, there used to be Sega, sadhus, and the people, the kids used to join ashrama there. They used to learn many of the things besides their regular curriculum, another aspects of life, then archery, so many things. And then after the entire training, they used to come back. So this used to be the system. And you can see the first university was Takshashila University, world's first university, and it was, let me tell you that this Takshashila University is the oldest university, incepted 700 BC before Christ in Rawalpindi. We know that Rawalpindi is nowadays in Pakistan, and so I'm not going to read everything. So the topics: Vedas, archery, hunting, law, medical, military science, so were the topics that used to be taught. Over 10,500 students took benefit, including Chandragupta Maurya and Arya Chanakya also. Then the second university, Nalanda. Nalanda University is ancient center of health, and the location is in Bihar, southern border of Nepal. So in India. Actually, the first university was also the part of India, but now it is in Pakistan. This is the tenure, and these are the topics. Mathematics was introduced along with astrology. Actually, they might have thought that astrology needs a solid background of mathematics. That might be the reason. Then you can see this is the person. You can call this demon with 10 faces. Everyone can identify this. He is Ravan. So can you tell me what are the characteristics of this Ravan? रावणाचे स्वभाव वैशिष्ट्य वगैरे सांगता येतील का? Yes, there are 200 plus students. I am asking the questions, and if there is no answer, so and one more question: are you comfortable with my English, or you are going to be more comfortable with my Marathi? I know that some will be comfortable with Marathi, but there might be some people who may not be compatible with Marathi. So, are there some people who are not comfortable with Marathi? Nobody is answering. Yes, you can unmute. How shall I proceed further if there is not a single answer? So I am not. So there are some English. Okay, anger. Okay. English is okay. So thanks a lot, Sonu Prasad. I think English is better. I was thinking that my English is better, so that's why he is saying English is okay. But the reason seems that he does not understand Marathi. That is fine. But yes, there is Ragini Patil who is saying English. So Bhakta of Mahadev. Yes, Mahan Bhakta of Mahadev. He was very much angry. Ravana had a great knowledge of Rajniti. Great. So these are the positive things. Yes, you are noted. His duty was at the next level. Yes, Ravana is excellent warrior. So many things. So see, there are very much positive things that I am seeing in the chat box. She is also a great Brahman. Yes. So this is the vision. So I really like the vision you look about a particular thing. So you are noted positive things rather than the negative thing. This is the positivity, and definitely this is going to be very much fruitful after 4 years. So yes, I really like that. So friends, so the 10 heads represent passion, pride, anger, greed, infatuation, lust, hatred, jealousy, selfless, and ego. These are the positive sides. Extraordinary scholar. Yes, he was immense scholar, master in 4 Vedas and 6 Shastras, great poet and devotee of Lord Shiva. Yes, yes, somebody had told. Physically very strong with strong network of demons. What do you want more than this? Undestroyable body. Yes. Strong support from brothers, sons, and army. Yes, he was not alone. Brave and valiant warrior. And one more thing, after the end of that war in Ramayana, when Ravana was about to die, Rama had asked his younger brother Lakshmana to learn most of the things, the art of statecraft and diplomacy from dying Ravana. And Lakshmana accordingly followed. He bowed Ravana, and Ravana taught him many things as a part of the lesson. But simultaneously negative side, aggressive and arrogant. Draw out Kuber to occupy the golden kingdom of Lanka built by Vishwakarma. So this is somewhat jealousy. Yes, wanted to conquer the world. Abducted Sita by unfair means and tortured her. Thus, while Ravana was a villain, he had so many great qualities that even God bowed down before him, not due to fear, but with respect. Yes, they used to appreciate Ravana, not because of just fear, but due to respect, because of these excellent qualities. But you can see if the negative side is dominating the positive side, then the results you can see. The results are very much distracting. Besides possessing immense player, he had to meet big loss only because of his negative sides. So that's why it is very much important. Now, by this time, you must have been convinced the importance of the ethics, the values in our life. Even if you, yes, I believe that you are very much sincere, you are very much talented, you are going to have handsome career with you, but along with that, there are some qualities that must be built inside you, and here we are to take care of those. So here, human values are the building blocks of human personality, are the endowments of every human being, and adornments of human spirit. In conjunction with the development of skills and abilities, concepts and attitudes, empower us to transform both ourselves and society. So this, and dear friends, you can see the coordination. You are part of this dignified Vidya Pratishthan's Kamal Nayan Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology, but you are not directly connected with that institute. You are connected to this institute via the faculty. So faculty, the role of faculty is also very much useful, significant, and yes, we are here to take care of those. Now, what is meant by value? Value means understanding the other person. There are 9 values which have been defined, which led to harmony. Harmony means susavad. एकमेकांशी सुसंवाद साधायचा. So the first is trust. So you can feel these are the 9 qualities I am going to share, and you know the meaning. It is not the case that I will have to elaborate each and every quality in the deepest possible way, but I will try to express those very much briefly. Trust. So whatever the belief system of students with their parents or teachers, that is trust. Respect. So after consistent communication, So whatever the feelings developed about our seniors is somewhat respect. It is not necessary that respect is with our seniors only or a elder people only. The respect can be with our younger one also. Affection, sneha. Yes, it is some sort of attachment, affection, care. So whenever there is affection, there is automatically generation of care. So mamata. So mother is the best example. Mother is always very much careful toward their kids. Then guidance is one is grabbing the guidance from their parents, grandparents, from senior family members as well as teachers, people from the society. Gratitude. So this is another rebound. The response characteristics after you have been benefited with consistent encouragement or guidance. Gratitude, krutanyata. Okay, reverence. So that is gratitude is having somewhat little span, but reverence, apar shraddha. So that respect, continuous, endless respect towards some legend is called as reverence and glory. So see friends, whenever there will be examination and after that the result will be declared, and in the next year when new students will be coming, we'll be calling the toppers and we'll be feliciting those topper in front of their parents and those students. So definitely you will be having some feeling of glory. So that will be an encouragement, and that will motivate you again to perform better and better in coming days and to be consistent with our fluency. So that's why glory is also an integral part of our human life. And love. So everything I need not tell anything about love. So these are the 9 values, feelings, which are very much connected with universal human values. Now, see, whenever you have been part of this education system from many years, and whenever most of you must have thinking that on some occasions some lectures are boring. So those lectures can be made interesting by sharing some stories on occasions. So here I am to share one story briefly. So tortoise and hare story. So already you know, but I will be telling once again because this is not the only one version. You know only one version, but I will be adding some few more versions here. So in the first, you know everything. The first version, tortoise and hare story. So once tortoise and hare had an argument with faster, so they decide to settle that argument with race. So the race starts 3, 2, 1 and starts, and both had already decided one route and they start with the race, and very soon you can understand that the hare is very much ahead of that tortoise, and then he thinks to have rest for a while, relax for a while under a tree, and he is relaxing. By that time that hare passes, and the tortoise uh, overtook the hare and finished the rest. So the moral, what is the moral? So he's very much sad that even he, besides having all the capabilities, he could not be the winner. So he realized that he had lost the race because of only overconfidence, careless and lax. And the moral is that slow and steady wins the race. Hard work is important to win. Do not be lazy. So this is the moral of the story. Now our faculty member have designed one more upgradation with this and see what happens. So हा चिंतनाचा विषय होतो. So this is the thought process. The hare realized that he had lost the race only because he had been overconfident, careless, and lax. And again, when they meet together, the hare challenged for another race. The tortoise immediately agreed, and they had another race. They start this time. The hare ran without a pause because this time he had to win from start to the finish. Yes. The moral: fast and consistent will always beat the slow and steady. Yes, everybody agrees. It is good to be slow and steady, as we have seen in the first version, but it is better to be fast and reliable. Yes. So after the second race, they may have meeting once again. This time, this is the third version. The tortoise challenged for another race, but on a different route. The hare agreed for the same. So they had a race. The tortoise and the hare started off. Now what happens after some time? There is a river. So that fellow hare is coming towards the one bank of a broad river. So he cannot do further. So he cannot swim. That is the problem. But the tortoise, they had that come slowly, and he had no problem to move further, even though slowly. And he swims to the river, goes to the another bank, and ends the race. So finish. So in the third version, tortoise wins. Yes. Moral: first, identify your core competency and then change the playing field to suit the same. So here the hare was not aware about the entire route, so he was a little confident that he is going to win, and but the things were something different. So they meet once again, and thus the tortoise and the hare decided to go for the fourth version. But now this is the unique way. This is the best possible way as a team. So you will understand the importance of the teamwork as a team. So both start together, and this time, now if they are going individually, you can understand that the hare is going to be faster than the tortoise. So what they have done? The hare carried the tortoise on his back till the river bank. Yes. So they came faster, both came faster. And as soon as the river came, their role changed, interchanged, and they swam across with the hare on the back of the tortoise. Finish. And after that, again, after the completing that river, their role were once again interchanged, and they both reached. Both were the winners. So there is nothing more beautiful than this. All are winning. Nobody is losing. So that feeling is really a great feeling. So this is what teamwork. Teamwork, you can understand. Teamwork is going to be the base. These are going to give the most fruitful results. So build your team properly. Be together. Help each other, and in your studies, help each other during your study, until your study, not during your examination. Okay. So this teamwork is about situational leadership, letting the person with the relevant core competency for the situation take leadership. Moral: it is good to be individually brilliant and to have strong core competencies, but unless you are able to work in a team and harness each other's competency, you will always perform below par, because there will always be situations at which you will do poorly and someone else better. So if you are together, the negativities are eliminated, the positivities are multiplied together, and the results are really fabulous. Dear friends, AICTE had suggested the technical education institutes to conduct the induction programs 2-3 years back. And yes, our institute has always gone through all the rules and regulations, and this is the academic year 2019-20. So during that also, of course, there was not a single discussion of COVID, and we were in offline mode as always. And these are some glimpses of the induction programs. What the induction program is to include: early in the morning sports, then yoga, meditation, pranayam, then during the morning session, some innovative talks, some activities, and some inspiring talks. After that, in afternoon session, again sports. So the students enjoyed a lot. So they were very much close to the mentors, the teachers, as we had never seen before. So this is the upper floor of our physics, and in that yoga, meditation, pranayam, early in the morning, every day. Then in the evening session, you can see we used to have sports activities, indoor, outdoor, so many activities. Then not only the students, but the faculty were also involved. So you can see Sajan madam playing the instruments and very neatly, but I was just trying to do something. And here, this is a group photo in front of our museum, which is our integral part of our society. Vidya Pratishthan, the upper campus. There is museum, 3 to 4 stairs, museum of Honorable Sharajendra Pawar Sahib. So endless collection of photos, presents received to him, and so many things. Then we are in front of that museum. Then after performing a particular activity of mask making, this is mask making. We were really unaware that this mask, the terminology mask is going to be very, very famous in the coming days. We were absolutely unaware of this, but things had to happen in that way. So then the dignified Vidya Pratishthan, very, very huge ground in which on 15 August, 26 January, the flag hosting ceremonies performed, and the students from LKG, KG to PG, all are gathering together, and that is a really a wonderful thing to be experienced. And very close to that, there is indoor gymnasium is there for boys, for girls, and there is one, you can see, badminton court. So we have been always part of this badminton court. So age is just a number for us, and you can see that's a nice court. A good player is cheered by everyone, while a good sportsman is respected everywhere. So there are so many things to be that I can share with you. 3-4 hours will be very much less if I continue speaking right now. But we have to think for some another thing also. As this occasion, I now see, friends, sports. What is sports? Then game. So the people are using the terminology sports and game interchangeability, but that is not the thing. There is important, even though minor difference between these two terminologies. Generally, see, game is played. Most of the games are inside, indoor. Sports are outdoor. Sports are cycling, trekking. These are community sports. And in sports, more physical activity, the concentration is more on physical activities. Then you do not have to make a lot of brain for sports. But in games, when I guess I used to say jokingly that आपल्याला गेम करावे लागते आपल्या opponentशी. So we have to be strong on our mental level also. We have to be cunning, and we must understand whatever the opponent is thinking. Accordingly, we have to go on changing our moves, and that is coming under games. So you can. So this is a little, and there are many more differences between this. Some when later, and but the important thing, whatever may be game or sports, but what is that? Gym, joining a gym. So I have joined a gym, and the charges for 1 month are 5,000 or something. But what is gym? Gym is just part of sports and games. Just a small part of sports and games. But sports and games are integral parts of our life. Why? If we do not involve ourselves with sports and games, then what will happen? Yes, anybody? If you really think that it is interesting, then you can contribute. Please tell me. Why should we be attached with sports and games in our routine life? You can unmute yourself, because I am not habitual of seeing towards that chat box.
Reduce obesity.
Please. Yes.
Reduce obesity.
Okay. Nice.
It makes our mind fresh.
Fresh. Good. So we become physically fit.
Helps to increase our stamina.
Then we become enthusiastic. The concentration level is increased. These are so many reasons. But see, listen carefully. The most important reason and the most usefulness of the sports is that it teaches us how to lose. And yes, आपल्याला हारणं पचवायला शिकवतं. It teaches us how to digest the loss. Yes, if we can digest the loss in sports, definitely we can digest the loss in our life, in our career, and definitely we can rebuild ourselves. We can finish with even better than what we were before the disaster had taken place, if any. Yes. Otherwise, there are so many incidences of suicides in every age group. You can see in every age group incidents. If somebody is not getting admission to IIT, the student is committing suicide. If somebody is getting admission but he is not achieving his target, then he is making suicide. He is getting campus but not up to the mark. He is not getting 25 lakh package. He is getting only just 10 lakh package. He is committing suicide. But definitely I want to say that if you are attached with sports and games, then definitely this will never happen. It teaches us how to digest defeat in sport. Definitely we can do the same in our life also. See, this is I do not want to focus much more on this. This is the little analysis. So the students are performing better and better. So this is the proof that if you are when we had conducted the induction program very much carefully, then the results are also fabulous. So it is the proof that the students can actually participate in curricular, co-curricular, extracurricular activities, and still they are giving better performances in the university examinations. So many things. So so much stuff is with us. See, in this 1 hour talk, I will not be able to cover all the things. But see, this is very important. So I know that there are some people who do not understand English, but who do not understand Marathi. But I want to guarantee that within 2-3 months, this will be very much liking the Marathi, and after 6 months, these will be communicating Marathi with their friends. So this is by Maharashtra Police. बघा मी वाचून दाखवतोय. एक वेळ वाचाच. आम्ही भूतलावर जन्म घेण्यासाठी 9 महिने वाट थांबलो. Yes, we are waiting for 9 months in the womb of a mother. It takes us around 2 years to walk neatly. So we go to school after 3-4 years. For voting, we stop for 18 years. Then so much patience are kept, but in traffic we become so much impatient, and that is the reason why accidents are taking. And the cruel part of this is that those people who are really innocent are also suffering because of some nuisance people. So that is the, if somebody is not following the rules, then whatever the results, that fellow is deserving, but the remaining people are also affected unduly. So that is my concern, and I think that we should be mature enough. Now, National Service Scheme, Rashtriya Seva Yojana. So what is this? This is a very big national level movement initiated by the central government of India on 24th September 1969, all over India, where all the educational institutes, professional, non-professional, technical, non-technical, and their students, 1969 is the centenary year of the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Everybody knows the date of birth, 2 October, 2nd October. But year is 1869. So 1969 year was the centenary year of the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, and the central government initiated this National Services Program all over India. Yes. So then Pune University, Pune now, which is called as Savitribai Phule Pune University, had also initiated this in all the colleges affiliated to itself. And we have also started this. Yes, we do have the National Service Scheme. There used to be a unit of 100, but 2-3 years back we had increased that unit from 100 to 150. And what is National Service Scheme? So the thing is that we have to, the students is future generation. These are the responsible citizens of tomorrow's India. So if these are perfect, these are all right, these are better, mature, definitely our India will be in a better hope. That's why. And what is done as a part of National Service Scheme? Small things, very small things. Visit some orphanage. You know, in orphanage there are some kids because of a number of reasons. I do not want to do. Then there are old age homes also. There are also senior people because of some number of reasons. So we can just go and see what the reality is. Yes, and you may be aware of what life is. You can understand the meaning of life in a better way. This. Then, whenever there are some anniversaries of great legends, these are celebrated from years to year. Then there is Independence Day, Republic Day. These are celebrated to give us some encouragement, to keep some flow of encouragement inside us. That is the reason. Some creative activities can are performed in our college. So responsibilities of conducting some sessions, anchoring, and all are given to the students, and they are doing in the best possible way, so that in their later life they are coming out in a better way. Maybe yes, in their T and B, when they are appearing for their placement drives, they are coming with more confidence. So ultimately, see, whenever we are needy, the society is giving us so many things. Yes. So we are social people and we are getting so many things from the society. And when the turns comes, when you become mature, when you become eligible to donate, then you have to give back to the society, and that is life. सो विंदा करंदीकरांची एक कविता होती, कोणाला आठवते का? विंदा करंदीकरांची कविता सांगा. एस मराठी. विंदा करंदीकर. एनीवन? देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे. हिरव्या पिवळ्या माळावरून हिरवी पिवळी शाल घ्यावी, सह्याद्रीच्या कड्याकडून छातीसाठी ढाल घ्यावी. वेडा पिसे ढगाकडून वेडे पिसे आकार घ्यावे, रक्तामधल्या प्रश्नांसाठी पृथ्वीकडून उभार घ्यावे. उसळलेल्या दऱ्याकडून पिसाळलेली आळ्या घ्यावी, भरलेले भीमेपासून तुकोबाची माळ घ्यावी. देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे. घेता घेता एक दिवस देणाऱ्याचे हात घ्यावे. व्हॉट इज मेन बाय दिस? देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे. घेता घेता एक दिवस देणाऱ्याचे हातच घ्यावे. त्याचा हात तोडून घ्यायचा नाही. एक दिवस आहे, एवढे आपण स्ट्रॉंग बनू ना, आपण सुद्धा दुसऱ्याला, आपण कोणाकडनं तरी घेतलं तर त्याचा तो गुण आपण आत्मसात करायचा, आणि आपण जेव्हा दुसऱ्याला देण्यासाठी सक्षम होऊ, तेव्हा आपण सुद्धा आपल्या सोसायटीला द्यावं, आपलं ऋणातून मुक्त व्हावं, हा त्याचा अर्थ. So the national service scheme is a disciplined approach of doing good things, better things, and the best things towards the society without expecting any profit to ourselves. Profit will be deposited automatically, unknowingly. That comes automatically. Yes, you just go on doing better things, the things will rebound to you, maybe good or bad. If you are doing good, good things will be rebounded to you. So everybody will be benefited. So that is the theme of National Service Scheme. India is one of the most youthful nations. About 65% of the population is below 35 age. The government of India is fully committed to development and empowerment of youth. So you should be active participants of the national development and not merely receivers of services. Yes. National. National Service was initiated with the aim of development of personality and use students to communal work. Okay, so I think that something. Okay. Yes. So motto is not me but you, and the ultimate aim of NSS is to inculcate the bond of patriotism, national integrity, communal harmony, and brotherhood among the volunteers. And NSS is not restricted to so many things. So everything that we can attach with NSS. Madam, Sajjan Madam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Madam, it will take a little more time, madam, at least 10 minutes. Because
Actually, sir has joined for the next session.
yes, joined, but Date sir, at least 10
Sonali
minutes.
sir,
Yes, sir.
you can continue. You can complete your NSS because it is on the verge of what we can say. You can tell each and every aspect because you are telling them right now. So
Yes.
after your session, I'll be
Thanks a
continuing.
lot, sir. Thanks
Okay.
a lot. But I will try to wind up, but I'll try to cover all the points of what I was thinking of. Okay. Thank you.
Yes,
sir.
yes, sure, sir.
So, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, visit to orphanage, disaster management, blood donation, yes, blood donation, environment enrichment, tree plantation. So we have been taking these drives quite frequently, mitigating COVID-19. So our students, even though they were at their homes, they have done tremendous work. So I am proud of these fellows. Help the underprivileged people to develop themselves. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, today itself was a lecture, special residential camp. So NSS logo, this is NSS logo and it has some meaning. It is based on the giant wheel of Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. So I will try to move fast because I have. These are the glimpses of the some activities we have performed. So this is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj birth anniversary. How can one Maharashtrian forget? 19th February. So we always used to do in dignified way. So we used to call some eminent speakers. So this is Priya Gaikwad, a famous motivational speaker. So her videos are spread all over Maharashtra. And once 2 years back, we had invited her. So this is the vote of sweep, means voting. Then this was a drive taken on 2nd October, 3 years back. So you can see principal, all the faculty, students, and more than 150 kg plastic was gathered together and was placed at appropriate. This is visit to orphanage by Honorable Principal. Rupees 58,000 were donated after the Kerala disaster, flood disaster. So rupees 20, 50 for the students of our institute, and see the total amount was added 58,000. World Forestry Day. Yes, we used to breathe. For breathing, for living, we need oxygen. If we are starving, still we can live for 21 days. But if there is we cannot breathe, then we will not be longer for longer than 2 minutes. So we always used to conduct some drives. This is Lakdi. You can see longitude, latitude. Now students, hundreds of sapling were planted. I have thousands of photos of tree plantation. Then Swachh Bharat. Under that, you can see at the center, the first citizen of Baramati, Nagaraध्यksha Purnima Taure, and along with myself and our students. These are passed out now. Then 21st June is celebrated as a International Yoga Day, and yes, this is our main ground. So, see, principal, so many people, the huge ground full with people. And then 2-3 years back, we witnessed and we contributed in the mega Guinness World Record. That was in SPPU. We had one with the in 3 buses. 132 students and staff had gone to as a part of the World Guinness Record, in which each student was provided a sapling, and in after subsequently each student had planted that neem sapling during the Nirmal Wari. So this is the then Chief Minister Fadnavis. You can see around 18,000 students had gathered in Savitribai Phule Pune University. Our students also, and you can see the top view. This is top view. 18,000 students. The Indian flag, tricolor. You can see how small the big vehicles look like. And these are the creativities of our students. During the pandemic, our students did not keep silent. They were working even though in online mode. Maybe making of mass, then encouraging our near and dear people through the awareness of COVID, then many more things. You can see Haritwari. So definitely it is NSS is a 2-year program. This is our Rajesh Mane, sanitization, blood donation. This is our alumnus now, and he had just met me before in the lunch break. He had met me. His power. Then Nirmal Wari. So during every year there is Naneshwar Maulis Palki is arriving in Baramati, and there is stay. So during that, our students are very much enthusiastic, helping the people, pilgrims over there. They are distributing the biodegradable flats, and they are making awareness of cleanliness. So, and subsequently, surprisingly, on the next day, you can see that braided person, Dr. Prabhakar Desai sir, the director of NSS Savitribai Phule University, had come and congratulated us for the noble work done. Then beside that, close to that is Dr. Bharat Shinde sir, who is the principal of Vidya Krishna Art Commerce Science College, and you can see Rajeshji Pandey. He is a very great person who is the member of the board of directors of Savitribai Phule University, Rajeshji Pandey. They had come in Baramati, in Desai Estate area, and he had a communication with our students. Then setting up vermicompost project, one day workshop was conducted, and along with the demonstration. So this is need of ours. So you can see. So this is Pani Foundation, initiated by Amir Khan, his team, and we have been part of that also. Then there used to be 7 days residential camp in the adopted village during every year. So last year was the only exception because of COVID, but definitely we want to keep that year only as the exception. So this is 3-4 years back at Medath, and this is one village home. You can see the Sarpanch, that Gaude madam at the left. Then snake awareness program was also conducted in a very dignified way with proper demonstration with PPTs. Along with that, live demonstration. Yes, live King Cobra, and you can see Python. Then Savitribai, Kranti Jyoti Savitribai Phule, which is the name of our university, SPP. So there was a drama conducted on the birth anniversary of Savitribai Phule in our conference hall. So this is our distinguished alumnus, Mr. Avinash Shinde, IAS officer with 151 All India rank. So he was felicitated, and so NSS is never at back end. He's always leading in all the integral activities. So this is State Act, Pathanatya, and this is one of the scenes at Lakdi camp, special camp. So this is my friend, Kirtankar, Professor Achyut Shinde, and really see every student as well as a small kid as well as elder had enjoyed that kirtan. So it was really amazing session. So 7 days are the, I think, very beautiful days. 7 days special residential camp. You can see principal also joining our party. And then this is MLA of Indapur, Rashtrawaddi Congress Paksha. Honorable Dattatray Barne. He had also visited for the special camp. Then COVID-19 awareness, I had talked that as good as 24 quality videos on awareness of COVID were created when entire people were very much afraid of this COVID. Our students were doing some important things for the betterment of the society. Then this is epic, really epic. So during every year on the Independence Day, 26 January, Republic Day, at state level as well as national level, some people, some students from NSS are selected, as though the process is very much tedious, and it is a long process of 2 to 3 months. But I very proudly want to say again and again that our distinguished student Miss Rajeshri Mane participated not only in state level but only at national level Republic Day parade on 26 January 2021, and she was among the 100 students who had gone there. And not only that, she acted as a contingent commander. Only 100 students from all over India, and she was among top 5 people. You can see. And during the inaugural, she had communicated with you, you can see. And before that, on 16th of January 2021, there was cultural session. In that, she had presented one Lavani. You can see, I think these are the minister of the central government, Smriti Irani, and so many people are there. And you can see, Rajpath, New Delhi. And this exactly behind Narendra Modi, Miss Rajeshri Mane. Then souvenir, 72nd souvenir of Savitribai Phule University was published on 10th February 21, and in that 2 special pages were reserved for this. And you can see our Rajeshri Mane there also along with the news, and on the next page you can see her name, and because of her name, our name also, Vidya Pratishthan Kamal Nayan Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology, Param. Yes, that was one more big figure added in the dignified cap of Vidya Pratishthan. And you see, this is glory. This is one more glory. And this is not enough. Then we applied for the best NSS volunteer at Maharashtra state level prize. And this was a proposal generated by us, and subsequently she has been awarded as the best NSS volunteer by Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्रात बेस्ट NSS व्हॉलेंटियर म्हणून तिचा सन्मान डिक्लेअर झालेला आहे, आणि तिचा लवकरच तिचा सन्मान होणार आहे. सो दिस इज यस्टरडेज one page. Her write-up was published in Sakar newspaper. And see, so I am going to be fast. I'm not. Actually, these are the brief things. So this is Krutajnata. One more. And she had said, I read it. Vidyaprast and Kamal Nair Bajaj Institute of Engineering Technology बारामती या महाविद्यालयात मी सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंगचं शिक्षण घेत असताना राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजनेत सहभागी झाले. याच माध्यमातून माझी पुढे दिल्ली परेडसाठी निवड झाली. मी राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजनेच्या संघाचं देशाचं नेतृत्व केलं. माझे राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना कार्यक्रम अधिकारी प्राध्यापक दीपक सोनवणे, प्राध्यापक उमेश जगदाळे, याचबरोबर प्राचार्य डॉक्टर राजन कुमार बिस्कर यांचा माझ्यावरील विश्वास, ट्रस्ट आणि गायडन्स याच्यामुळे I could grab this big milestone. I am always very much thankful. I have deep reverence with my college, my alma mater, Vidya Pratishthan. So question time. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
I hope that, sir, I hope that whatever expectation you had kept with me, I could do so little of that. Thanks to Sajjan madam, thanks to Sherke sir, thanks to all of my loving people, caring people, and many thanks to the first year engineering student, because of which I got to speak something different than mathematics. Thanks a lot, sir.
Dear students, the test timing is from 5 p.m. and when you get the link at that time, you start giving the tests. 2 tests will be there today for mathematics and communication skills.